Hey guys, so I had 2 giant heads of broccoli in my fridge for a couple days and I didn't want them to go bad. So I decided to make that iconic broccoli bacon, I think it's like a cranberry salad. Got a mayo dressing, but I wanted to find a way to lighten it up, make it a little healthier. So this is what I'm doing. So here are the broccoli florets all cut up and rinsed. I'm just gonna take these radishes and cut them up. I'm also going to cut up some red onion, and I cooked 3 pieces of bacon in my air fryer. I don't want it to fall. There they are. I think I'm also gonna add a cucumber. Got a cucumber. And lastly, the star of this dish, sweet mayo dressing, but I made a really healthy light version. I'm gonna leave the recipe for this below. The rest follow with your heart. All right, let's get to chop. First, we're gonna dump our broccoli in the bowl, and we're going to carefully add our veggies to the bowl. Go. So it looks like this. Got our crispy air fried bacon. Now this is not a lot of bacon, honestly. I wish I had more, but that's okay. The flavors will still be there. I'm gonna take this giant ass spoon and I'm gonna mix all these veggies together. I decided I'm just gonna add the dressing. Okay, now that it's pretty much incorporated, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper and garlic. Just a little bit, because you want it to stay sweet. Oh my God. Missed the bowl and fly at me. Mixity mix. Alrighty, here she is. Let's give her a taste. Broccoli, a little bit of cucumber, maybe some bacon. Needs more dressing. I think in the future I'll make this salad, cut the broccoli smaller, and I'll make it exactly how I made it, plus a side of dressing so I can add it to it each time. Does that make sense? I'm gonna do that right now. Cheers. That's it. I'll leave the recipe for everything down below, and I'll see you in the next one. That's good.